Hello everyone. Today, I will present a panoramic analysis of radiopharmaceutical therapy for prostate cancer, global clinical trial trends and future developmental directions. This study was completed by the research team led by Professor Gu Ping from the First Affiliated Hospital of Kunming Medical University and published in Med Research. Research background. Prostate cancer ranks as the most prevalent malignant tumor of the male urinary system worldwide. With continuous innovations in clinical therapeutic regimens, radionuclide therapy has emerged as a promising novel modality for prostate cancer management. Driven by increased capital investment, technological breakthroughs, and deepened global collaborations, remarkable advances have been achieved in prostate cancer radiopharmaceutical research in recent years. Against this backdrop, this study systematically summarizes the landscape and characteristics of clinical pipelines of prostate cancer radiopharmaceuticals to inform subsequent drug development. Research methods. A total of 372 registered clinical trials on prostate cancer radiopharmaceutical therapy were retrieved. After excluding 17 trials for diagnostic radiopharmaceuticals and 9 trials without radionuclide administration per original trial protocols, 346 eligible trials were enrolled for subsequent multidimensional analysis. Result 1. From 2000 to March 2026, 356 global prostate cancer radiopharmaceutical clinical trials were registered with steady annual growth in trial number. Early phase studies dominate the pipeline. Phase I and Phase II trials account for 46.5% and 34.7% respectively, whereas only a minority progress to late-stage Phase 3/4 trials. Current research prioritizes safety and efficacy evaluation, leaving substantial room for clinical translation and industrialization. 13 radionuclides have been adopted in ongoing clinical investigations, yet merely 6 have completed late-stage clinical validation. A pivotal paradigm shift occurred in 2017 from conventional organ-targeted therapy toward biologically targeted radiopharmaceutical conjugate development. RDCs currently constitute 78.5% of global pipelines as the mainstream candidate. Result 2. Nevertheless, severe target homogeneity exists, with 91.9% of trials focusing on PSMA, highlighting an urgent need for novel specific target discovery. Beta-emitting radionuclides predominate in RDC development at 61.8%. Alpha-emitting radionuclides, featuring superior targeting precision and limited systemic toxicity, represent a core innovative frontier for next-generation radiopharmaceuticals with validated therapeutic potential across multiple clinical trials. Small molecule ligands remain the primary delivery vehicles, while peptide and antibody-based ligands are under rapid advancement. Result 3. Metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer is the predominant indication, occupying 76.6% of trials, with gradual expansion toward other prostate cancer subtypes. Most exploratory indication trials remain in early phases, lacking high-level clinical evidence. Nearly half of trials adopt combinatorial strategies paired with androgen receptor inhibitors, chemotherapy, external beam radiotherapy or immunotherapy to improve anti-tumor efficacy and overcome drug resistance. Synergistic benefits of radiopharmaceuticals combined with radiotherapy and sequential multiradionuclide administration are under continuous exploration. Result 4. Global R&D distribution is highly concentrated, with the United States leading worldwide development. Spurred by targeted national policies, China has witnessed rapid expansion in relevant clinical trials. Funding is mainly supplied by academic institutes and pharmaceutical enterprises with divergent developmental focuses. Enterprises prioritize commercially viable RDC programs, while academic institutions concentrate on conventional organ-targeted radiopharmaceuticals, jointly facilitating technological innovation and clinical industrial translation. Conclusion and outlook. Prostate cancer radiopharmaceutical research is expanding toward targeted RDCs, though most studies are in early phase and overly reliant on PSMA targets. Beta-emitting radionuclides currently dominate, while alpha-emitting radionuclides emerge as a superior next-generation option with better targeting and safety. Indications are expanding from advanced mCRPC to other subtypes, and combination therapy is prevalent, yet supporting clinical evidence remains inadequate. Global R&D is highly concentrated. China has advanced rapidly via policy support, with academia and industries undertaking distinct research investments. Still in early translation, this field requires upgraded radionuclide production, infrastructure, regulation and cross-sector collaboration to boost clinical adoption.